I don't know whether you spotted them, but I've been running little announcements like this, talking about an event I'm running in July. And the mere thought that I might want to try and sell you something may make you turn off now. But nevertheless, I would like to draw your attention to one particular person who tells people something about marketing that almost everyone ignores, who focuses on something in marketing in a very different way. I suspect that when you get up in the morning, one of the main things you're worried about is how can I make more money? This lady has turned that question upside down, and she asks, how can you avoid losing money? She's the least flashy or show-busy speaker I've ever seen, and she talks more sense than anybody I've ever seen, because she talks about how to plug the holes that your money leaks away through when you do your marketing. The messages that go out that aren't read, the messages that go out that people don't reply to, the messages that make the wrong promises. That's what she talks about. So perhaps it is a good idea, isn't it, to stop doing the wrong thing before you start doing the right thing. Why don't you join us and find out and meet this lady? She's amazing.